Ethical Hacking Exam Practice Questions Part 4. Here we will get the practice questions for MCQ Part 4. Let's start. What is the goal of footprinting techniques? So privileged escalation is basically called go from non-admin to admin, covering tracks, remove your tracks, attack on a system, information gathering. So footprinting is basically or information gathering. Either you say information gathering or footprinting, both are right. So these are the right answer. Goal of exploitation system means exploitation means when you're trying to penetrate or entering into a system. It means you have attacked and hacked a complete system. So according to me, C is the right answer. Attack on a system is called exploitation. C. Exploitation means attack on a system. Vulnerability word described. What is the meaning of vulnerability? Quite simple. Vulnerability means you can say loophole or a weakness in a system. That is called vulnerability. So weakness is called vulnerability, right? So A is the right answer. Vulnerability means finding weakness in a system. Which of the following Wi-Fi chalking method means drawing symbol in public places? So in some methods on public places you can see some symbols regarding Wi-Fi, right? So they are asking that what is the meaning of when they draw symbols in public places. So C is the right answer. War chalking is the right answer. War chalking is used to draw symbols in public places. Which of the following Wi-Fi chalking method means walking to get wireless connection? So it is saying walking, so obviously it is related to A answer, war walking. War walking is basically means walk around to get Wi-Fi connections. A message is sent as a secret information that is inside in normal traffic. Which of the following method is used? Message is sent as a secret information that is inside in a normal traffic. Alright. Hidden Active Directory, encryption. Decryption is not the right answer. Covered channels. I think these are the covered channels are the right answer because this is a way that how you can send a secret information. Covered channels can be used to send this traffic, right? Which is best way to audit? How you can audit a system, how you can audit a network? Intrusion detection system, protocol analyzer, vulnerability scanner, or port scanner. Obviously vulnerability scanner. So if you have a good vulnerability scanner, you can scan complete network. For example, Nessus. If you have Nessus, then you can scan entire network. If you have Acunetics, then you can scan a complete website. So for auditing, scanners are good. C is the right answer, vulnerability scanners. Which is the best way to prevent against man-in-the-middle attack? Obviously you need to use encryption. You need to send data securely. So IPsec is the right answer. C is the right answer. IPsec can be used to prevent sniffing attack. Which kind of malware can lock your files in systems? So if there is a malware available in your system and that malware has locked all your files automatically, so which is the right answer? So ransomware is the right answer because ransomware can be used to lock your files inside your system. And a recent example was WannaCry ransomware. So this is a recent example. What is passive sniffing? What is the meaning of passive sniffing? Sniffing through a hub, switch, router, or bridge. So passive means this is the older technique of sniffing. So then it can be done using a hub, but nowadays hub is not used. The replacement of hub is switch. So in passive they are using hub. A is the right answer. In active scanning, this is the modern example. So they are using switch. Answer is B. Active sniffing means switch. Passive sniffing means hub. How to monitor local traffic in a network? So as we are talking about network, so host IDS won't work. Proxy will not work. Firewalls will not work to monitoring traffic. Obviously IDS is the right answer. Network IDS, C is the right answer. That can be used to scan the network. Which browser uses proxy internally? So which browser can be used to? So Chrome, Firefox, Opera, or Tor. Basically in these three browsers we need to insert proxy manually, but in Tor we don't need to insert any proxy. It uses proxy internally. So D is the right answer. Tor browser uses proxy internally. In what condition or in which condition sniffing is called MITM? So man in the middle attack and sniffing when they are similar in password. Sniffing, are poisoning, flooding or sniffing. So remind it, are poisoning in address resolution protocol poisoning, they are called same, means sniffing and MITM same in just one condition in the case of ARP poisoning. Length of MD5 hash in hashing. So this is just simple question. A 32-bit is the size of length in MD5. What are the primary colors in image analysis? So if someone is in forensics and he is trying to analyze an image, so what are the primary colors? So the primary colors is always red, green and blue, right? This is also called RGB. So you will see RGB, that is called red, green, blue for image analysis. C is the right answer. How DOS attack works? DOS is denial of service attack, or you can say flooding in a network. So it tries to stop the service. So this is the right answer. It doesn't provide brute force attack. It doesn't impersonate, means impersonate, you can say identity theft. So the A is the right answer. Attacker tries to stop the services in the network by performing flooding. Which type of SQL injection uses true false queries? So error based doesn't use, union based doesn't use. Obviously blind SQL injection uses true false query to get information about the database. So A is the right answer. So this is about the part 4 of MCQ, and in the next video we will learn about ethical hacking exam practice questions, part 5. Thank you.